Okay, we're going to be sketching graphs today, and the one that we're going to sketch today is one complete cycle of sine of 3x. And so what I like to do when I'm graphing trig functions is I like to lay out what I'm actually going to be talking about first. So my amplitude is going to be equal to 1 because there is no coefficient in front of sine. And my period is going to be equal to 2 pi over 3 because b here is 3, so my period is 2 pi over 3. And so now I'm ready to go. So since my amplitude is 1, you can see I already have 1 and -1 as my maximums and my minimums. And so now I need to consider my period of 2 pi over 3. So 2 pi over 3 is going to give us a unique situation because we're going to be able to say I'm going to need to divide my graph in half. And so at the end, I know at the end is going to be 2 pi over 3. And so since this is 0, marking halfway through would just be 1 pi over 3 or pi over 3. And so now I can go ahead and mark what's going to happen. So in blue here, I'm going to graph my maximum, minimum, etc. Well, I know the sine graph is a big S that crosses the x-axis 3 times. It's going to touch at 0, 0. It's going to touch at halfway through, which in this case is pi over 3. And it's going to touch at 2 pi over 3, maximum and minimum. My maximum is going to come halfway between 0 and pi over 3. So let's see. That point's going to be pi over 6. And my minimum is going to come halfway between pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. So that's going to be, let's see, 2 pi over 6 and 4 pi over 6. So that's going to be pi over 2. Okay. And so now when I'm graphing, that's where my minimum is going to come. So when I connect the dots, I have a regular sine curve that has just been compressed down into 2 pi over 3.